Hello. The daily uplifting news beautifully visualized by information is beautiful, April 14, 2020. Today's visualization is about Dutch prisons are closing. The Netherlands has the third lowest incarceration rate in Europe. Fines, mediation and rehabilitation programs replaced jail terms. The state even had to import prisoners from Belgium and Norway to keep its prison officers employed. Now empty prisons are being turned into asylum centers, houses and hotels. Under this more humane system, crime rates continue to fall. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.